5 Ways to Build a Lucrative Side Hustle and Start a Futuristic Business. Welcome back to MonsterVerse, the channel that empowers you to transform your life and become the best version of yourself. In today's episode, we're diving into the world of financial freedom. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck and dream of a life where money is no longer a source of stress, then you're in the right place. Today, we'll discuss 5 powerful ways to make money through a side hustle and even explore the exciting realm of futuristic businesses. Before we jump into the strategies, let's talk about the mindset required for success. As the great Tony Robbins once said, motivation is what gets you started. Discipline is what keeps you going. Remember, motivation is temporary, but discipline is forever. To achieve financial freedom, you need to cultivate unwavering discipline and focus. It's not an easy journey, but it's worth it. Now, let's explore the side hustle. Number 1, freelancing. In today's gig economy, there are countless opportunities to leverage your skills and make money on your own terms. Whether you're a talented writer, graphic designer, or social media guru, freelancing allows you to earn extra income on top of your day job. It's a great way to dip your toes into entrepreneurship while maintaining some stability. Side hustle. Number 2, e-commerce. With the rise of online shopping, starting your own e-commerce business has never been more accessible. Tap into your passion and identify a niche market. From handmade crafts to unique products, the possibilities are endless. Remember, success in e-commerce requires dedication, marketing savvy, and a commitment to delivering exceptional customer experiences. Side hustle. Number 3, real estate investing. Real estate has long been a tried and true path to wealth. Whether it's flipping properties or generating passive income through rental properties, real estate investing offers lucrative opportunities for those willing to put in the effort. Research the market, learn from experienced investors, and take calculated risks to build your wealth. Side hustle. Number 4, digital courses. Are you an expert in a particular field? Why not share your knowledge and monetize it through digital courses? Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to create and sell courses on a variety of subjects. By leveraging your expertise, you can create a passive income stream while helping others achieve their goals. Side hustle. Number 5, futuristic business ventures. The world is evolving rapidly, presenting exciting opportunities for those who embrace innovation. From emerging technologies like artificial intelligence and blockchain to sustainable energy solutions, futuristic businesses hold tremendous potential for growth and financial success. Stay informed, think outside the box, and be willing to take calculated risks in this ever-changing landscape. Remember, my fellow monsters, financial freedom is not achieved overnight. It requires consistent effort, perseverance, and an unwavering belief in your ability to create the life you desire. Join us at MonsterVerse as we embark on this transformational journey together. Subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and let's unlock our financial potential and become the masters of our own destiny. Thank you for watching this episode of MonsterVerse. If you enjoyed the content, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to leave a comment below sharing your thoughts and any topics you'd like us to cover in future episodes. Until next time, stay focused, stay disciplined, and unleash the financial beast within you. See you soon.